Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to withdraw money from Paripesa. Withdrawing your money from Paripesa is a simple and secure process. First, log into your account and head over to the withdrawal section by clicking your profile icon or account balance. Select withdraw funds and choose your preferred payment method. Options include bank transfers, e-wallet like OPay, or even cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring it meets the platform's minimum requirement. Carefully confirm your details, including your bank account number or crypto wallet address, and verify using the SMS PIN if prompted. Once done, all that's left is to wait for processing. Crypto withdrawals usually take just a few minutes. E-wallets can take around 15 minutes to an hour, while bank transfer may take 3 to 5 business days. And that's how you can easily withdraw your money from Paripesa. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.